Hello, this is Mr. Noisy, and I'm going to sing the Toilet Paper Factory rap and wheeze. Mr. Noisy and Ralph the Dog's World 1976 is going to put a Miss Calamity figure on Christmas, and the Mr. Men figures in their 2008 style are only available on eBay in the United States. Yay. Let's take a tour of the factory and find out what this pulp is about to be in a big machine that's about to buy. I got to get very wet because it's very dry. Got to mush it, mash it, make it to dessert. Hurry, get red with the mist is occurring. Tidy, it's not fresh, flat white, it's not like that. This is they call the master roll, and that's what we take home right now. That one's way too big for us. This is going to the bathroom. Was quite complicated enough. Don't want to add that a toilet roll bigger than a Cadillac. That'd be sad. We couldn't lift it up if the roll ran out. Hire a truck or walk on forklift just to think back into. Now bring it to the swing of the mechanism. Yeah, we'll roll it out like Jennifer sneaked old and out yard after yard. It's about their shooting. The benefit of skinny little cobbled tubes not old. They're naked. Better get the dress, but did you expect they roll to next? Having to run to the course he's still in the factory for. Not too heavy anymore, that's true. Still too long to fit in the bathroom, so we measure from out. We go through the size soon. Looks like rules we recognize. See how the lead that would lie with these. This is hard to believe. They used to be trees, so please let's use the amount you need.
Take another trip to the factory.
Oh, but a big Sammy. Oh God. Please. They accidentally attacked me. Go ahead. Please. Miss Calamity is in the restroom, in the train. So, why are you listening to the light of Christmas? And this is not the Owl City Christmas Toby Bag. And this is not Furt. And this is not McKeon. Mr. Noisy and Ralph the Dog through it. Go ahead and buy a Miss Calamity figure. And so, along with Miss Helpful and me and the Reese, what are you supposed to do? Calamity Executive Fail. Police just switching around sentences.